Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bolaji James. So today I want to show us how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on it. How to create a subdomain and install WordPress on it. So quickly, let's take a look at WordPress Manager on this site first and see the list of WordPress installations that we have. Alright, so you can see I have about 4 of them here. And I think only this one is on a subdomain. You can see test.listify.com.ng. so the rest of them are on on the primary domain. You understand? Okay, so let's see how we can now create a subdomain and then install WordPress on it. So let's go back to cPanel by clicking on this place, and then we have to scroll from this side and go to the side, this area where we have domains here. So we're going to click on domains. So once you click on that, all you need to do is just type in, make sure, I want to believe that the domain you are talking, you want to create a subdomain for, must have been added to this hosting this hosting package. The domain must be here already, like this one, or this one. So I can add a subdomain of any of these 3 now. You understand now? So okay, so for instance, I can just type in let's say I already have test there, so let's say tutorial tut.listify.com.ng. You understand? So this is the subdomain, the tut, a sub part of the main domain. Okay, so once we have it like that, okay, sorry, don't mind me, I'm searching instead of creating. So we just come here and click on create a new domain. Click on create a new domain, and then we type in that subdomain that I've typed. So I'll type in listify.com.ng. okay, so you just click this last one, just use tut.listify.com.ng, and make sure this share root document is not marked. Don't mark it, please. Alright, so once you've done that, you click on submit, and this should be done within some seconds. This should only take seconds, and the subdomain should be created. Okay, it's taking longer. That could be due to network. I want to believe my network is doing fine, so I do not know why this is taking rather too long. It may take a moment to create a new domain. Can we refresh this and see what happens? Let me refresh and see what happens. Okay, I want to go back to the list of domain, return to domains. Let's see whether it has been created. Can you see it was created, but due to network issue, it was just there rolling and wasting our time. So you say that's why I just say let me refresh. Okay, so the subdomain is created, tut.listify.com.ng. alright, so we can now go ahead and go to WordPress Manager by clicking on this place, WordPress Manager by Subtaculous. And if you don't find it there, please, if you can't access this, you just need to scroll down here to where you have software. You see software here, and then you can see WordPress Manager by Subtaculous. So you click on it, and it will lead you to the same place, and then you can click on install. That is, install a fresh copy of WordPress. And of course, here now you are going to select that subdomain that we have just created, which is this. All right, so once this is selected, you've chosen your protocol, which is HTTPS. Okay, so it's selected. Then we go ahead and just, you can see this one is telling us that a trusted SSL certificate was not found. That is because the domain has just been, the subdomain has just been created. SSL has not been installed on it, and of course, if it's not installed on it after a few minutes, automatically I'll drop a link to a video where you can do that by yourself, how to install SSL certificate on any domain or subdomain by yourself. Okay, so we are going to come here and give our site a name. So we can say tutorial, for instance. Then what do we do on this on this website? We can say learn how to create stunning websites with WordPress. It's just a sample, so please WordPress. Okay, so then we come here. Please never use admin as your username, no matter what type of website you are creating. So I can just say Uncle B, just for example. Then I will hide this and then just type a password. Okay, so then what is the email of the website? We can say I can just say support at tut.listify.com.ng. This could be anything. Of course, you will find videos on my channel on how to create a professional email like this, webmail, for any type of website. Okay, so you put this in, and then you just come down here and click on install, and this should be done in less than 30 seconds depending on your network again. Okay, so I hope network doesn't affect this one this time around. Okay, so we're going to, let me just close this so you can save it on your Google. Save your password if you like. Well, I just exited that. So let's see how long this takes. It's taking longer. Normally it should just rush through and everything will just get to 100. So like this. Okay, so it's successful. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So if you click on this, you see the front end of the website, which is this is your new website that you have just created, and you can see the subdomain here. And as you can see, the SSL has actually been installed. So you can see connection is secured. So I think it's now installed. The SSL is now installed. Then to the back end of the website, we click here. So if you need further tutorial on how to design WordPress websites, check through the channel. You see a lot of videos on that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye for now.